Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we shall learn how to create a certificate sheet as shown from the screen. So let's start. First of all, go to Insert, Shapes and click on Half Frame and drag it and resize it again. Please duplicate it for me. Press Ctrl with D. Rotate it to this angle. Select all for me and duplicate it again. Drag it to the middle of the slide. Select these two shapes. Go to the format, rotate vertical, click vertical and drag it to this angle and this for the last angle. Select two of it, go to the shape styles, choose any themes for your design. Select the theme of your choice and select this shape. Go to the theme style and insert of your choice again. Go to Insert, Text and type certificate. Resize it and give it a font style. All English text empty. Resize it again and drag it off. Insert again, go to text, click on it and type certificate number. Go to Insert again, text again and type enrollment number. Go to Insert again, Shapes and choose arrow left and right and drag it here. Please duplicate it for me. Control with D. To the middle. And choose themes for it. Click on right click. Click on edit text and type this certificate is awarded to. Go to the text effect. Go to the transform. And choose whichever you like. And this one is for choice. Go to insert text and type the name of the whom the credential is awarded. Abacha Abubakar. Drag it to the middle. Choose the format for it. Choose Lucida calligraphy. Resize it and drag it to the center. Go and insert text again. Type for successfully complete the course. Drag it to the middle. Insert again. Click on text and type the course name of the candidate. Desktop publishing. In bracket DTV. Bold it. Go to insert shapes and choose this one. Drag it under. drag it off small. Go to insert text and type from SaddiqueTech.com. at google.com. With B division and his course duration was 30 days. Select it, underline the 30 days, come and underline the division, the B division. Drag it off, insert text, type date of issue, go to insert shape, click on line and drag it up, give it black color, drag it down, go to insert again, text, type signature, go to insert shapes and choose line, come and drag it down and give it black color. Go to insert again, go to shape, choose start at 2 points, click on it, come and drag it, go to format, shape fill, give it red color and remove the outline shape. Right click on it, go to edit text, type base award 2020. And this is the last of our creation of certificate sheet for today. Thanks for watching.